What's going on? Welcome back to Just Lube and Go NC. Today we're doing an oil change on the 2003 Honda Accord V6 3.0. We were working on we did the, what you call this thing? I'll be forgetting. Wheel hub, all right? And then we did an upper control arm. We did that work already. As y'all can see, this customer was complaining about, not complaining, but you can hear this customer's car clunking up and down the road. She couldn't figure out what was going on. Somebody took it to her, said her control arms was bad. She brought it to me. She said, Just, I just need you to check it out for me. And I was like, got you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? Take off the tire. These little things come out. Now, those who know anything about cars, these are wheel bearings. So ultimately, her wheel hub was bad, which sent her control arm bad. Don't ask me how. I just know that's what it was. But anyway, we're getting back to it. We're doing an oil change because when we checked the oil, she had 0. When we say 0, that means she's at the bottom of the dipstick or she burned it. Guys, time to drain the oil. What you're gonna need right here is I call it a quick lube handy tool. You get it from AutoZone. This is a 17 mil. So we're gonna go ahead and slap it on. Make sure we're going in the right direction. Nope, we are not. So we're gonna go ahead and switch it lefty loosey, righty tighty, and we're gonna Now, I'm not using my green pan today because it's full and I gotta go empty it out today, and I kind of being lazy. I was kind of being a little lazy, so I was like, I'll do it after I do this wheel hub. I'm not gonna do an oil change for a little minute. There she goes, draining out. We're gonna check for any metal shavings. We don't see any. I don't even think it has the magnet on it. It has over 180-something thousand miles on it. So I'm just gonna let it drain. I'm gonna grab the filter, which is, where is that filter? Right here. It was in my face the whole time. Anyway, dang, this oil, ooh. Next time we're gonna get her an Amsoil Motor Flush. Cause that thing is thick and syrupy. And it's black. Yeah, it's black. Yeah. It's time to prep our filter. We're gonna crack it up with some Amsoil 5W20. Bang. Alright, so you can see, get that O-ring seal. Get it nice and lubed up because you don't want it to stick to the metal surface of the car. So you definitely want to get that nice and lubed up. As you guys know, we clean the area where the oil filter is. We make sure that the previous O-ring, the previous black O-ring is off. So that way we don't double gasket. So that way we don't have to run the risk of oil seeping out. Oil not holding, and then eventually messing up the motor. So, see, we got our oil filter prep ready to go, sealed nice and lubed up. Time to put it on there. Wait, where'd it go? Bam, boom. She a little dirty. We lose a little rag to tighten her up, but once we got our drain plug also tightened up. And we got our filter tight as of right now. So we're gonna go ahead and add the 4.5 quarts of oil. and we shall see what to do next. All right, guys, time to add up. 5W20, advanced engine protection. Amsoil. We got the car started up, running. Got our drain plug, no leaks. I don't see nothing coming down the oil filter. I don't see no drippy. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to our normal thing. We're gonna let it run for 5 minutes just to make sure there's no leaks. All right, guys, so we let it run for 5 minutes. She's still running right now. We're going ahead and shut it off. But as you guys see, there's no leaks in the car. She's still not leaking, there's nothing dripping, there's nothing in the ground, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it off, check the level. She's on a nice level surface. So we're gonna see what this oil level looking like. Check the level. I always tell you guys the first reading is never accurate. To me, in my opinion, the first level is never accurate. So I always pull it out, pull the dipstick out, check the level, wipe it off. Don't really, like the second or third time, just because it gives it time to the oil to drip down through the motor, go back into the oil pan. See what we got. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. As you guys can see, she is full. Let's see. Point it out. Dipstick's a little, so there she go right there at the top. You see where the oil level is right there? Boom, full baby, full. 4.5 quarts of Amsoil 5W20. This is Justin from Just Lube and Go. We appreciate you. Go ahead and hit that like, hit that share button, and subscribe, and the notification button so you can know when we do more videos and more up to date, keeping your car up to date, keeping your oil nice and your car running smooth, right?